Hello and welcome to our tech channel, where we dive into the latest in industrial automation and technology. Today, we're exploring an exciting addition to the world of human-machine interfaces, the C-More EA9 RHMI Headless HMI Panel. Our goal is to unpack its features, capabilities, and how it can revolutionize the way operators interact with system data. The C-More EA9 series has been a game-changer in the realm of HMIs, known for its user-friendly interface and robust features. And now, with the introduction of the EA9 RHMI headless version, the flexibility and potential applications have just expanded. Unlike traditional HMI panels, this headless version is designed to be mounted within a cabinet, offering a unique way to display information without a dedicated screen. Let's delve into what makes the EA9 RHMI stand out. First off, it supports a high-definition HDMI output, allowing for clear and vibrant display options. Powered by an 800 nm CPU and compatible with the EA9 PGMSW programming software, this unit is not just powerful, but also versatile. One of the key features of the EA9 RHMI is its connectivity options. With Ethernet, USB ports, and serial communication capabilities, it's designed to integrate seamlessly into existing PLC systems. This opens up a world of possibilities, including data logging, secure email, remote access, and even FTP for efficient file transfers. Setting up the EA9 RHMI is straightforward. Once powered, establishing communication is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly software platform. Whether you're looking to update firmware, program the unit, or simply explore its features, the process is designed to be as intuitive as possible. But what truly sets the EA9 RHMI apart is its ability to enhance system data visualization. Operators can now access and control the HMI remotely, thanks to its web server capabilities, making it a powerful tool for modern industrial environments. In summary, the C-More EA9 RHMI Headless HMI Panel is a versatile, powerful, and innovative solution for enhancing how operators interact with system data. Its headless design, combined with a suite of connectivity and display options, makes it a valuable addition to any industrial setup. That wraps up our exploration of the C-More EA9 RHMI Headless HMI Panel. If you're interested in learning more about industrial automation and technology, make sure to check out more of our content. For any questions or further information, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.